Band-Aids are a quick and cheap way to replicate French manicures. Simply align the Band-Aid edge with the smile line, or white part of the nail, and paint on the white polish. Be sure to remove the Band-Aid while the polish is still wet. Dip a toothpick into a polish of your choice. Press it down on one side of your nail to make a circle and then drag down, creating one side of the heart. Do the same on the other side. And seal it in with the top coat.